Hello everyone, welcome to Pastoral Pakistan. I hope are you doing well. Today I will show you my village early morning. Right now it's early morning in my village. And honestly this is the most peaceful time of the day. Wow. Let me show you something beautiful. Amazing. And look at this view. Everything is so calm, no noise, just fresh air. Let me show you something interesting. This is our small garden. Look closely. We have planted garlic here. Everything here is fresh and natural. No chemical, just pure village life. And here these are new banana plants. Wow, amazing. We planted them recently. But after some time they will grow into big trees. You plant today and enjoy tomorrow. Just look around. Green fields, fresh air, silence. No stress, no rush. Just a simple and happy life. So guys, this was my village morning. I hope you felt this peace through the video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.